Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your profile on Snack Video. So go to your profile page on the bottom right corner and press Edit Profile. Here you can change your name. You can add in your gender, male, female, or you can choose more options and say prefer not to share. Press Save. You can add in your birthday here. So mine's on February 7th, 1999, but I guess your zodiac will be shown. But if you don't want anyone to see it, just press only me. Yeah. Can you do that? Oh, yes you can. So press only me if you don't want people to see it. Press save and press your bio to add in information about yourself, I guess, like what your hobbies are, or how would your best friend describe you, I guess. My hobbies include singing, drawing. I'm just going to write etc. for now. Press save, and you can even add in an avatar frame, but I need to upload a video for that. You can also add a profile picture up here, camera roll, and I'm just going to use this picture of Taylor, and then press the checkmark button, and then that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!